Good morning, afternoon, or evening, my dear viewers. Welcome back to The Wise Ones. I'm sure you all have dreams and aspirations that you want to achieve in your life. You want to be successful, wealthy, respected, and happy. You want to make a difference in the world and leave a legacy behind. But how do you get there? How do you overcome the obstacles and challenges that stand in your way? How do you deal with the competition and the enemies that try to stop you? How do you stay focused and motivated when things get tough? How do you outsmart the rivals and foes that want to bring you down? This is why you need this mentality. Let me ask you, what do you want out of life? Are you determined to succeed, or are you content with simply going through the motions? We all have dreams and aspirations, but not everyone has the drive to make them a reality. The difference is in mentality. So let me tell you a story. Once upon a time, there was a man named Frank who grew up in a rough part of town. Life was tough for Frank, but he was always the toughest guy in the room. He had a no-nonsense attitude, and he always got what he wanted. People feared and respected him, but they also admired him for his unwavering sense of loyalty to his closest friends and family. One day, Frank had a vision of a better life. He wanted to create a business empire that would provide opportunities for his community and his loved ones. He knew that he had to work harder and smarter than anyone else to achieve his dream, so he adopted a mafia mentality. He made a plan. He gathered a loyal team of people around him, and he broke down every obstacle in his path. He did whatever it took to get ahead, but he never forgot his values or his loyalty to his people. Years passed, and Frank became one of the most successful businessmen in his community. He was feared and respected by his competitors, but he was also loved and admired by the people who knew him best. So, how did he do it? How did he achieve such incredible success? He did it by adopting a mafia mentality. He was always loyal, always resilient, and always relentless in his pursuit of success. And you can do it too. I know some of you might be wondering, why am I talking about the mafia? Don't worry, I'm not here to encourage you to join a gang, but to adopt the mafia mentality from a business perspective. To succeed in life, you need to adopt a never-give-up mindset. When times get tough, it's easy to throw in the towel and give up. But the mafia mentality is about pushing through challenges and coming out on top. Remember, tough times don't last, but tough people do. You see, life can be tough sometimes. It can be unfair, challenging, and downright cruel. And it's easy to get discouraged, to give up on your dreams and settle for less. But that's when you need the mafia mentality, a winning mindset that will help you navigate life's challenges and come out on top. Now, I want to share with you a quote from the famous mafia boss, John Gotti. He said, "I never lie because I don't feel anything. You only lie when you're afraid." This quote speaks to the value of honesty, integrity, and courage. We should all strive to be honest and transparent in our interactions with others. It takes courage to be vulnerable and transparent, but it's a key element of success in life. I want you to think about someone you admire, someone who's achieved greatness in their life. Maybe it's a celebrity, an athlete, or an entrepreneur. And I want you to know that you can do what they did. You can be a boss, make your dreams a reality, and live the life you've always wanted. The only thing standing between you and greatness is your mindset. You have the power to choose your thoughts, to believe in yourself, and to take action towards your goals. And that's what the mafia mentality is all about. I want to leave you with this final thought from Edison. Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. Life is like a marathon, and you can't give up halfway. Adopt the mafia mentality, and you too can put a ding in the universe. capable of achieving greatness. All you need is the right mindset and the willingness to take action. So let's go out there and make our mark on the world.
Thank you for joining us today on The Wise Ones, where we strive to inspire and motivate you to become the best version of yourself. We hope that you found today's video valuable and that it has helped you in your personal or professional journey. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel and turning on notifications so that you never miss out on our latest content. And as always, we welcome your feedback and suggestions for future videos. So please leave a comment below and let us know what topics you would like to see us cover next. Remember, you have the power to achieve greatness, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Let's make our mark on the world.